1, 2, 3, and 4. Scoop, scoop. Give her a spin as she's getting back in the slot. Small, medium, large. Then we're going to send this thing to the moon. We started off with a simple side pass. Leaders back up into that parking spot over there. Follow, swing that booty and walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. She watches me the whole time. Now we do a little in-out motion with the hand to let her know a spin's coming up. In, out, triple step, triple step. She's traveling up and down the slide. Now after she does her first spin, actually I'm going to give her 2 spins in a row just for funsies. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. I could do that. Or instead of that second spin, I'd give her a barrel roll where I travel with her. 1, 2, triple. I stay beside her, scoop. And then I can either walk back into the slot with or without the spin. I can give her 2 barrel rolls in a row. 1, 2, 3, and scoop. Scoop. Triple back into the slot. If I really want to sauce it up, I can give her 2 barrel rolls in a row and triple back in the slot while she's spinning. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Scoop, scoop. Give her a spin as she's getting back in the slot. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Haley.